What up guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be cleaning the engine bay on my G35. It's been probably like about 2 months since I last cleaned it or whatever, so let's go ahead and get that done. These are the 3 materials or things that I use to clean it. It's 303 protectant. I also use one of these dusters and a microfiber rag to help get into the tight spaces and stuff like that. As you can see, it's pretty bad right now, not gonna lie. Got that carbon fiber cover, but it doesn't even look carbon, it's all dusty. But in a few minutes, probably like 15 minutes, this should look clean, watch. I usually start by spraying the plastics down a little bit. Even like the hoses, everything up there. Not the engine cover. Right there. Get that back there. And you don't even need a lot, just a few sprays, and it kind of spreads evenly pretty well. Now I grab the microfiber rag and I just start wiping everything down, getting all that dust off. See, just one wipe and it makes it look all brand new basically. But just get all the hoses, this little plastic area right here. With the microfiber, I just wipe this down right here. Get all the little spaces. And little by little starts transforming for sure. The end result is pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah. Basically the best tip that I could give is anywhere you see a little piece of dust, just give it a quick wipe. And slowly but surely it's gonna start looking cleaner and cleaner and cleaner. Even like the hard to reach spaces helps out a lot for sure. Now check it, I'm not fully done yet. There's still like a little spaces I need to get, but it does look a whole lot better. That's just a few little sprays of that 303 and it slowly starts looking better. Now I'm gonna work on that carbon cover and get that cleaned now. The cover, I don't use any special chemicals, nothing. Every now and then I do wax it, but just a quick little dust off. It should start looking better. Can use a little bit of soap and water, which I'm gonna go ahead and do because it is kind of caked on. There's been a while since I've cleaned it, so I feel like this will make it look a little better. So, and that's the engine cover, nice and clean. It is kind of old. I've had it for like 2-3 years, so it doesn't look perfect, but it still looks pretty good. Now I just get into the little details, like the little corners and the edges, and then we're basically done. It's honestly been like a 10-minute process or something, so it's not bad. That's pretty dope. Check it, I got this fiberglass cleaned up right here. It looks dirty, but it's actually just a little fibers that you can see. But yeah, that's basically the end result. I still need just a few more touch-ups, but on video you can't even tell. I try to clean all that inside pieces too right there. It's kind of hard, but just take your time, do your best. You don't want to disconnect the wire or disconnect the ground or accidentally break a wire or something. So yeah, just take your time, have fun with it, and that's about it. It's not too hard. A lot of people like have different processes on cleaning the engine bay. Like a lot of people like to pressure wash their stuff, but I don't. I just kind of hand clean it with some 303. Damn cars. But with some 303, and that's basically it. I mean, nothing crazy. Now, if you're wondering what I've done to the G35, basically just the basics. I got the intake, get this car pass. Damn, I swear, as soon as I start cleaning my car or working on my car, everybody starts passing by. It's freaking annoying. But back to it, I got the intake. I got a throttle body spacer, which gives it a cool whistle. I have the 5/16 plenum spacer that you can see right there. I got a true dual exhaust that you can see over here. I removed the cats and put some resonator test pipes, and the dual core aluminum radiator. Let's see, what else have I done? Let's see. Yeah, I haven't done anything else. How I said it, just the basic pieces. Almost full bolted, but I don't think I'm ever gonna do the headers since it's such a bitch to get to them, not gonna lie. But yeah, there you go. Now I need to start the GTR because it's probably been like 6 days since I've started it, so why not give you guys a cold start on the GTR. Actually, before I start the GTR, I like to wipe this down right here, or spray it down a little bit. It brings it back to life. As you can see, it does look a little dry, like it needs crema or something. And then you go to this side, spray it right here, spray that, and you'll see the difference. Watch. With just one wipe, it completely transforms it. Still need to spray up there, but yeah, you could tell the differences. I'm gonna spray it a little better right now off camera, but just so you guys could get an idea of what this chemical does. It's honestly been my best friend for plastics and hoses. Anything that's basically rubbery or plastic, it's gonna help for sure. There are many reasons why I like this 303 product, mostly because it does protect from the sun. It's not all greasy when you touch it. It does repel dirt, and it protects your plastic so it won't crack or fade, as you can tell. And it's super easy to use. Like, honestly, this is the most important thing that I use to keep my engine bay clean. And, well, a little bit of water, but mainly that 303 for sure. I even use that for like my dash, anything on the interior as well. So it's not only the engine bay that I use it, I also use it for my interior. I think I've mentioned it on the previous video, but in case you haven't seen that video, then there's that for sure. If you guys do ever have any questions, don't be afraid to comment or shoot me a message on Instagram. I do reply fairly quickly. You know, we gotta support the community, so yeah, any questions you guys may have, then I'm here to help for sure. And you guys know the deal on that. And just one final look. Compared to earlier, it for sure made a difference. I mean, it looks way better than it did before for sure. So now let's get that GTR started. And yeah, we walk over to the GTR, unlock it. We walk over. I for sure need to get a new carport and shit like that. I'm gonna do it soon. Hopefully entering the new year, then we'll go ahead and get that done. But for now, we have to deal with what we got. Let's get a cold start. It's been a few days, so it might have a little rough start, as usual, as any other freaking GTR that I've seen on YouTube. Prime the pumps real quick, press the brake. Woo. Almost didn't start there. No, just kidding. Usually with cold starts it does that. But completely fine, completely normal. After it's all warmed up, it starts like nothing. Let's go get the exhaust sound. Hell yeah. I'm gonna just let her warm up for a bit. I might use her later, I'm not sure, but let's walk over to the G35. I need to wash these cars later, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that today because it looks like it might rain. So I'm pretty good on that. But yeah. Oh, and I also got this cool little Nismo reservoir sock. If you're wondering where I got it, just search up on eBay reservoir socks or Nismo reservoir sock, and you'll get that. And they're cheap. They're like $8, $10. So I mean, why not? But yeah, guys, comment below if you guys want to see another video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, guys.